Just congratulate our sister, distinguished Senator Ireti Kingibe, hoping that Senator Tambowa will allow her to hear what we are saying. Speaker Emeritus, Governor Emeritus, and what, you don't mean it? So are you following me behind? I was a minority leader. And I think I was once a governor, but I've forgotten. I'm now an ancestor. So distinguished Senator Ireti Kingibe, we want to say happy birthday to our colleagues in the Senate. Everybody is looking forward to being in your house later today. Yes, may God continue to grant you wisdom and more years on earth with good health and happiness. And then may your children, your grandchildren be ever happy in your presence. And the wisdom of God and victories in future will be your portion. In the name of God. Congratulations and happy birthday from your colleagues.